at these things and I was saying, okay, well, there's merit sometimes to be like that. There's merit that at times we do have to move quickly. We have to be really efficient and not just effective. But efficiency and effectiveness are a team. Quality and quantity are a team. So the slowness creates some quality and effectiveness, and the speed and the fastness of it, and being fast at something and going quickly is the efficiencies, and the quantity, which is the numbers, the quantity. And I just realized that both are a beautiful team. So it is a go slow to go fast, but it's also, we need the quality and the quantity to work together. And we need the effectiveness and the efficiencies to work together to create our most exponential results of what we're looking for.